Hello, in front of me I've got OMODA E5. In this video I'll show you how to check tire production date. To check the tire manufacture date, take a look at any tire. All tires should have special code, dot, numbers and 4 numbers inside the circle. Those 4 numbers are the manufacture date. First 3 numbers indicate week of production and second 2 numbers indicate year. In this case, this tire was made in 36th week of 2024. And that's basically it. If you found this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.